Capturing someone's heart involves a delicate dance of emotions and psychology. While genuine connection is crucial, understanding certain psychological tricks can enhance your ability to create a lasting impression. In this exploration, we will delve into 9 powerful psychology tricks to capture someone's heart. 1. Mirror their body language. One of the most subtle yet effective techniques is mirroring the other person's body language. Humans are wired to feel a connection with those who mimic their gestures, posture, and expressions. By subtly reflecting their movements, you create a sense of familiarity and comfort, fostering a deeper connection. 2. Active listening techniques. Engage in active listening to show genuine interest in the other person. Practice the art of listening without formulating your response while they speak. Nodding, maintaining eye contact, and paraphrasing their thoughts demonstrate that you value what they're saying. This not only makes them feel heard but also strengthens the emotional bond between you. 3. Compliment sincerely and specifically. Offering compliments is a timeless way to win someone's heart, but the key lies in sincerity and specificity. Instead of generic praise, pinpoint unique qualities or actions that genuinely impress you. This not only shows your attention to detail but also makes your compliments more memorable and meaningful. 4. Utilize the power of reciprocity. The principle of reciprocity suggests that people feel the need to return a favor. By initiating small acts of kindness or thoughtful gestures, you pave the way for the other person to reciprocate. This creates a positive cycle of give and take, fostering a sense of connection and mutual care. 5. Create a positive emotional association. Associate positive emotions with your presence by strategically linking your interactions to enjoyable experiences. This could involve sharing laughter, engaging in shared interests, or creating memories together. Over time, they will subconsciously connect you with positive feelings, making your presence more appealing. 6. Foster intrigue with mystery. Humans are naturally curious beings, and creating an air of mystery can be intriguing. Share aspects of your life gradually, allowing the other person to unravel the layers of your personality over time. This not only builds anticipation but also keeps the relationship dynamic and engaging. 7. Use the power of touch. Physical touch can convey a depth of emotion that words sometimes cannot. Incorporate subtle touches, such as a light hand on their arm or a gentle hug, to establish a physical connection. Touch releases oxytocin, often referred to as the love hormone, contributing to a sense of bonding and closeness. 8. Master the art of timing. Timing plays a crucial role in capturing someone's heart. Be attuned to their emotions and life circumstances, offering support and companionship during both joyful and challenging times. This demonstrates your reliability and creates a strong emotional foundation for a deeper connection. 9. Authenticity is key. Perhaps the most vital psychology trick is to be genuinely yourself. Authenticity creates a sense of trust and reliability, which are foundational for any meaningful connection. Pretending to be someone you're not might attract attention initially, but authenticity is what sustains a genuine, lasting bond. In conclusion, capturing someone's heart involves a combination of psychological awareness, genuine connection, and sincere effort. By incorporating these 9 psychology tricks into your interactions, you can enhance your ability to create a deep and meaningful connection with the person you desire. Remember that building a lasting relationship takes time, patience, and a commitment to understanding and appreciating the unique qualities that make each person special.